We'll guide you through how to view SQL in Notepad++. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, take a look at your computer desktop screen. Position your mouse over the Notepad++ icon and double-click it to launch the program. Give it a quick second while the blank document interface finishes loading completely so every menu is available. Start typing your custom database query directly into the empty editor, or paste your existing raw SQL text into the blank editing area if you already have it prepared. Guide your eyes to the top menu bar and click the language option to access the available syntax highlighting modes. A massive alphabetical drop-down list will immediately appear on your screen, containing many supported programming and scripting languages. Scroll down carefully through the list until you reach the section labeled with the letter S. Hover your cursor over the S category so its related language options expand into a side menu. Look closely through that side list and click the SQL option once to apply the appropriate language setting. Notice the immediate visual change as your SQL text becomes colorfully highlighted, making keywords, strings, numbers, and other elements easier to distinguish. Now shift your attention back to the upper left corner and press the File menu. Select the Save As option from the drop-down menu to open a new Save Prompt window. Navigate through the sidebar of the Save window and choose your desktop folder as the destination. Move your cursor into the file name field near the bottom of the window. Clear any existing text and type your preferred document title exactly as you want it to appear. Append a period followed by SQL at the very end of the file name, so the extension becomes .SQL. Finally, move your mouse to the lower right corner of the pop-up window and click Save.